Watch. And the world, it's not a plan. You know a franchise, you're choosing one. 10-star general. I'm there I represent for the 5-star general Rodney Price, because you know Rodney Price no come on them shit, alright? Anything Rodney Price bring on them thing I know it. Foota hype, I wanna look, you know. R.I.P. to the competition. And that I come to put on down to. Because let me tell you something. A disgrace, man, them a disgrace dancehall. You hear that? And if you don't have a fuse, and someone deal with fuse, man not trace on social media about fuse. And if you don't say you're a bad man like how you say you do, you don't confront people. Because so badness deal with things, so you don't come mix up badness with girl picnic business. You hear that? And let me tell you something. You see anything, when you're there talk about, kill about, when he's a fucking idiot. I'm not going to prove it to you, Matterhorn. Because here what go on. You are saying, man buy kill a vehicle, right? That you saying, Matterhorn. Remember that come out of your mouth, you know. Where movado and foota I pick off? Talk no Matterhorn, where movado and foota I pick off? Foota if no kick off with movado, because I want movado for buy him vehicle. Him say movado promise him for buy him vehicle. Eh? Now that make them kick off. Eh? When them drive on in I'm look a Kingfish Corolla. Eh? What not talk about? Eh? Well, if you tell Foota hyper because him like run behind people. Why them thing that happen? You know why the man carry feelings a killer. You know all know that. You see me? Foota hype bring Aishana round the general. And Aishana no want no more look apprentice to fuck her, be a general she want. And she slap the general. And her dad Foota hyper carry grievance. And him carry her down south. And she got slap the general, Joe and scatter them who are running. So, him carry her around be a general. You see me, I see him, so I know him the carry her. Which part him there, Florida and I'm Ferrari. The man will own it to that slap it with too. You hear that? So you have to know them things there. When you run around people and I carry people around general, them don't want the soldier no more. Or the general them want. Because they want to live that general lifestyle there. So I no killer fall. So no there and a chase on social media and I go like a killer fall. You wise him up and make him know and a killer fall. Him shouldn't bring around them general there. You know what I mean? And you know Matterhorn and say you're a bad man. Mr. Man, I not disrespect you, know. But you are say you're a bad man. And I think, you remember Junior Reed's son, you know, Wada blood, you know. Thump you up, you know, and thump you down on the gum, you know. And I know you're supposed to remember that just like yesterday. You know what I mean? I never do nothing about it. So I don't know how this badness thing are coming. Because let me tell you something, no entertainer and no selector can say them a bad man. Because them a public figure. Badness no rule like that. I know that. I'm not supposed to know that. So I can't that one dead and I go on with. But anyway, when you take that news there from me, I'm dealing with myself because I don't know how the general run dancehall. And I can't go like say, you don't know that. Or I go like you don't want to undermine that. And two you have a fuse. You don't want to jump up and think you can violate the general. Not every way around you can. On social media. But don't tell you already what you need for that. I link up with the general and go and do some great works. That one I deal with a girl picnic thing. Watch. You know the world, it's not a plan. A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. I represent for dancehall straight. A dancehall a hardcore thing and a girl picnic thing. Get rid of that. Watch. One time. Watch. R.I.P. to the competition. Bounty killer, you got dancehall. God. Watch.